calculated this particular part, that critical path we have calculated. That critical path may be 1 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 7. So this particular critical path having total number of days as 22 days. So after up to this, everybody is knowing very well how to calculate, how to go forward. Is it right? To construct the network and calculating the critical path is not that much difficult task. So our next part is the about probability. Is it right? Our first probability is that the probability of completing project within 19 days. So that particular part is there, and for that we have to find the probability of completion of project in 19 days. For that we require to use this particular formula. What this particular formula is there, that ZO is equal to TS, means how much days is asked, how much days. So here, hello, hello, please mute yourself. Mute yourself. For TS means the probability which is asked. So here, the asked part is the probability of completing the project within 19 days. Okay, so that 19 is the TS value, and TE, that is the total time of the project. So that particular ZO, that ZO value we have to find out using this particular formula, that TS minus TE divided by in root summation of sigma of critical path. Okay, sigma of critical path. That's why in first case here in this particular table we have calculated the sigma of all the activity. In that, the activity 1 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 7 is the critical activity, and these are shown in the yellow color, which yellow color background to you, because only these three values we have to take. Why these three values we have to take? Because these are the active values for this critical path activities, and duration is 22 days. Then once you put these values in this particular formula, that TS, it is asked for 19 days. So 19 minus total time of the project 22 days in the divided by in root 2.77 plus 0.444 plus 1.777. So summation of these and take the root of that, and minus 3, above condition is minus 3 divided by root of 5. So this particular calculation gives you minus 1.3416. So this particular things you find here. Okay, then whatever this further calculation is there, this further calculation is a little bit different. So we will not go by this particular way. We will go by another way. So once you found this particular value, that Z value minus 1.3416. So please remember this value very carefully. So forget about this minus sign, keep that minus sign as it is. 1.3416, this value is there. So just I will share another particular thing. Okay, so is this is visible? Is this part is visible? Okay, one more time I will share the another document. Okay, so whether this table is visible to you people, whether this table is visible to you people, please reply. Hello, please reply. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
and
sir.
Okay, so here in this particular table, if you go to the left hand side, you will find that 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, these values are there. Okay, just whatever this particular arrow is there, or whatever this particular part is there, so just go through this side. Just I have made one block here. Okay, so this side you are having that particular this side. So red mark is visible to you people, all of you. Okay, so this side 0.1, 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, these all numbers are there. Our value is 1.3, is it right? So that 1.3 where is there? So we have to go for this 1.3 particular part here. I have made one more round in that. So this table is given to you, or on the calculator also you can calculate these values, but now we will go for using this reference table. 1.3, our value is minus 1.34. So here further decimals are shown in upper side. Just look at to this side. Further decimals are shown here at upper side. I think everybody is busy finding this round shape. So you have to select 1.3 from this side and 0.4 from this side. So you have to calculate, you have to consider the value of these two rows. So this 1.3 row and this 0.04 column. So that value is coming here. Just I will make round to this value. 0.9099. So I have made round to that particular value. Whether this is visible to you, from where I have just calculated this value, whether you understood it. If not, just I will tell you once again, I will go back. I will share my PPTs first. So here we are here at this particular juncture. Is it right? So in this particular juncture, we have to calculate the probability of project completion in 19 days. How much is completed in 19 days, that we have to find out. For that, we have to find out Z0. Z0, how it is calculated? TS minus TE. TS is the value of 19 days minus 22 days divided by in root summation of all critical path sigma values. So by putting all the values, it gives me minus 1.3416. So I am not considering this minus. Let's consider 1.3416 to find out what value should be at this 1.34 of Z0, that probability value. I have to go back. That go back means I have to refer this particular uh, table, where the particular table is here. In this particular table, if we look at to this left hand side, all big numbers are there, 0 point numbers are there. Out of that I have to select 1.3, and at top side double decimal points numbers are there. Okay, so from that I have to select 0.4, and I have to select this row of 1.3 value and this column of 0.04. So at 1.34, this 0.099, this value is there. I think you understood this particular part. Okay, so 0.099, this value is coming. Okay, and that value is coming at where? That value is coming at this particular value, that Z minus 13 minus 1.3416 level. Okay, if you minus that value is now, here I will just write, it becomes equal to minus sign as it is 0.9099. This value is coming there, is it right? Then as this is the minus value, it should be minus from 100% probability. That means 1. Is it right? So if you look at, if you go for calculation, if you convert this into percentage, so 100% probability is there. So 100%, 100 minus, multiply this number with 100, then it gives me 90.99, as this is having minus sign. So this particular calculation, 100 minus 99, gives me the value 9.01%. So this is my percentage of this particular percent come 9.01%. Means in 19 days, in coming 19 days, in this 19 days, only 9% project will be get completed. All of you understood this? Please reply. Hello. Okay. One more task to you people. Everybody, please write down your roll number in chat box fast. This session is going to end within 5 minutes. Please write down your roll number in chat box. Please write down your roll number in chat box. Fast. Those who have written, no problem. Those who have not written, please write down so that chat box can give me direct attendance. Make it fast. If anyone is remaining, please write down your roll number in chat box. Okay, so this particular calculation shows that in the given problem, after 19 days, the project will be completed by only 9%. Is it right? That is the important part. After 19 days, only 9% project is get completed. Then, so next question is, since probability of the completion of the project in 19 days is less than 20%, then we have to find out probability of project completion in 24 days. Then how to calculate that 24 days time? For that, again, you have to go forward. How to go forward? That same formula you have to use. So given time is 24, 24 minus 22, this is the project time, and critical path, that sigma value is √5, that √5 will be there. So that particular comes here 0.8944. So once you got this 0.8944 value, once you got this, again go to the our table, where that table is there. So again we will go to the table. So again I will go to that particular table. This is the table. Here you have to find the value 0.8944. Is it right? Just I will share this particular thing once again to you. What is this value is there? 0.8944. 0.89 value we have to find out. Where that 0.89 value is there? That 0.89 value is coming here. We have to go for 0.8. 0.8 is here. 0.9 is here. And cross section of these two is 0.8133. Okay, so I have made red color in this, that 0.8133, and if you go to the our particular diagram here, that value is coming at 0.8133 here once again. Is it right? So this is the 0.8133, and that means it will be completed 81.33%. So your project will be completed in 24 days is 81.33, but in 19 days it is completed only 9.01%. Whether you understood this particular part or not, please reply. Please reply. Have you understood this particular part? If not, please ask me, because this particular problem will be like this only. If you are having any doubt, please ask me, or whatever your points are there, please reply in chat faster. I am waiting for your reply. I am waiting for your answers. Everybody, now 49 students are there. Have you written your roll number in chat box? Those who have written, no problem. Those who have not written, please write down your roll number in chat box faster. Those who have not written, they only write down. Don't repeat your roll number in chat box. Those who have written, don't repeat your roll number. Those who have not written, they can just write down your roll number in chat box faster. I hope everybody has written roll number in chat box. 48, 50 students are there near about. All have written their roll numbers in chat box. If anyone is missing, please write down. Within 1 minute, our meeting is going to be end. Don't repeat. Once again, I will tell you, don't repeat your roll number in chat box. Those who have written, don't write. Those who have not written, please write. Okay. So rejoin the meeting first. I'm going to stop it. Rejoin the meeting.